What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new here, I am Denise and this is Eric and we're the G Squad. If you are not new, welcome back, guys. It's always fun to hang out with you guys. It's been an eventful day. Huh?
You said eventful.
And pretty eventful day.
There you go.
Oh well. We got to spend the day together today by ourselves without the children. So that was awesome. This morning we went to take the kids to school. We came back, relaxed for a little bit, and then what did we do? We went to go have breakfast at our spot.
Cracker Barrel.
Yes, we went to Cracker Barrel. We went to go have breakfast, and then we were gonna go have lunch with the kids. Their lunch schedule is different, so we didn't make it on time, but we were still able to leave them food. After that, we just ran a few errands, and I was telling him we should have vlogged today, but we were just, you know, enjoying the moment, enjoying each other's company. And right now we were just at home kind of relaxing. And now we're going to shoot some rounds at the range. You excited, baby?
Yes, very. I just built an AR, so I am excited to see how the new parts that I purchased for this build work out. So yeah, we're gonna test that today.
Yes. We usually do go to an outdoor shooting range, which I kind of like that spot. I guess just because I'm used to it, but it's way too hot to be outdoors right now. So we're still gonna go shoot, but we're going to an indoor range. So yeah, we're on our way right now. We'll see you guys when we get there.
Put you in the handicap because you are. So we're gearing up as we're gonna go kill some lead, downrange, and you always want to wear your ear probe, eye probe, make sure you're safe. So gun safety is everybody's responsibility. So yeah.
I like yours. Yours are nice.
Yeah. The walkers, these are just regular ones, but you need to put these on. And we're gonna have you put these on.
Why can't I wear these?
Or you want to wear these?
Yeah.
It's possible they might say take them off, but
okay, we'll see.
Try. So you need to put this stuff on, okay? Nine, 10, 16, 17, 18. So this is my Glock 19 Gen 5. Got an O-light. Turbo. Sorry if you can't hear me that well. Got a Faxon barrel. Got a cyanide compensator on it. We're gonna see how it runs right now. Then we'll probably do the rifle. We'll sight it next. But yeah. Okay, so it's hot. I'm gonna leave it right there. Now you put this out. How you put it out?
Oh. There it goes.
Don't get one in.
Mine's the 4, his is the 6.
Yeah, it's not.
You did good, babe.
Yeah, but it's not like. How do you feel?
A little nervous.
You're gonna get this one?
Still, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do better.
I'm gonna zoom in to see where you're hitting.
I'm gonna go for the 3, I guess, again.
Okay.
Scare me for a sec. Paul, scare me for a sec.
There you go. Set your body up before even. There you go.
I'm anticipating the bang.
She's doing okay, y'all.
I suck.
I think she's
so
like
bad.
every female is kind of worried about the gun biting her.
There's some females that are good. I just suck. Yes. Let's
Just
try
like
this again.
Let's try it again. You
Okay,
did
I'm
good
gonna
right
try
now.
To do number 3
Okay.
with the light.
Yeah. Right in the middle, babe. Woo. Lower. You went higher. There you go. Right in the center.
Let's see. Put your light on it. I did so good compared to like the other ones.
Mm-hmm.
That's me, guys.
I feel
Number
like
3.
It's not bright.
Not.
No, like it should be shining over there. But I think then again the lights in here are bright.
What number are you gonna do?
5, but I'm gonna scoot it back to 10 yards. Okay.
Okay.
And see how well I do at 10 yards.
My
Okay.
camera's gonna die.
It is.
Ready, go. Is it 5?
Dude, what are you gonna shoot? Pull the trigger.
Huh?
Pull the trigger.
Why?
Pull the trigger.
Oh.
Pull the trigger real quick. Okay. Now when you put it, it'll be ready for you to go.
Okay.
There you go.
Ooh, that was fucking loud.
Hold up. Okay. Put it on safety.
Woo!
You were hitting that crossbar. Okay. I'm gonna get some muzzle flash here, babe. Big old ball of fire.
Ready?
Yep.
Your turn. So I did number 2 and kind of number 5 too.
So guys, we had a blast shooting some rounds, trying to get the rifle, you know, zeroed in, and trying to get her used to shooting the pistol, which she did a good job after a couple of rounds, getting that nervousness out of her. But
yeah,
we had a great time.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us. As always, we love bringing you new content, so just stay tuned for all our videos. But yeah, thanks for joining us. Okay, peace.
What it did to me. The gun gave me a hickey. At first I was shaking, but because I drank an energy drink right before we got here, so I think that's why. But with the handgun, my hands were kind of shaking. Yeah, with the rifle, I guess too, because we were sitting down too. But that was my first time shooting the rifle. I like it better than the handgun. I want one now.
You can have keep the handgun.
Yeah, you can keep my revolver. I trade you for the rifle.
Okay.
Yes or no? Yeah, right. You love that thing more than you love me.
Yeah, right.
You spend more time with it than you spend with me. You do.
Sorry, babe.
But we had such a good time. We're heading out. What else are we gonna do?
That's it. Wait for the kids to get out of school, and yeah, just tag along with us, see all this crazy stuff we do and get into, and yep, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, right now I think we're just gonna go home, get started on dinner, and I think we're just gonna be home till the kids get out. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Say peace. This is how you can tell if your man took another bitch to the range. They'll be all full of makeup. Why are you laughing, dumb?
Because you're gonna get people in trouble.
Too fucking bad. So check your...
Guys are gonna be cleaning the earmuffs.
They're gonna be cleaning them now. Look at, they're all full of makeup.